Hi guys, this is Miss Enciso, and I'm going to show you how an easier way to see if your child still needs to do their homework and in-school assignments. First of all, let's do a little housekeeping for SeeSaw. So we're going to go to our iPad settings. We're going to click on here, and at the very bottom, we're going to click on the SeeSaw app. We're already there. Please, please, please make sure your child's microphone, camera is on. That way we can hear their voices when they're recording themselves, and take pictures of their assignments to turn them in. And also make sure their notifications are on, so that way they know if Miss Enciso sent an assignment back to fix it. All right, now that we got all of that done, we're gonna go to the SeeSaw app. Okay, we're gonna click on SeeSaw, and it'll take me to my assignment. I am here as a student. I'm gonna make sure I'm on Miss Enciso's class. So on the green side, the teal side with the rainbow, you see this student's journal, activities, and inbox. Their inbox tells them class announcements. If we click on notifications, it shows you this is what Miss Enciso has done so far. So for example, an hour ago, Ms. Enciso sent back your work for review. So this student needs to go back and review something. If I send something back, please look and check if I sent you a comment, because that comment is telling you what you need to fix. So let's go to activities. This is where you're gonna find the assignments your child needs to do and needs to finish. So these are the assignments this child has not done yet. All right, in progress are the ones that the student has started but has not finished and turned it in. So this is a draft. I'm going to finish my response, and then I'm going to start it. Please make sure that for this assignment, you click here to start recording, because it wants you to record their voices saying all of these words. All right. So again, this one, go to activities. This one's your to do. You need to finish. These are the ones the students have started but have not finished, and these are the ones the student has turned in and that Miss Enciso has accepted. Okay, so this is a super easy way to keep track of the homeworks and assignments that your child needs to finish.